Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select and active a text box for editing using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I want to edit this text box and select this text. Select edit option, this home option. Now click on this text box and see this text box now activated, and here you can select your text and you can edit it. See this, and change this text color. See this also select and click on this text box and activate this one color, and see this. In this way you can click on this text box and active for editing, and similarly you can active all of your text boxes and you can edit them. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.